Here's how you can easily build a graph in your infographic. And I'm starting with this in Google Sheets. Let's just assume that we collected some data. We asked students what they do on the weekend, what's their interest, and we categorized it and counted these things. So let's say we have this data. I'm actually going to select this and I'm going to do Control C to copy it, because we will use that in our infographic. So what you do is you go to Tools here. This is after I already have this open, and let's say I'm working on this block. So I select it by clicking on it. Then I go to Tools, I click that, and you can see right here, it's what they call charts. And when I drag that over and let it go, it opens up all of my options. It has some sample data in here, and I'm actually going to delete all of this so I can paste my own in here. And I'm just going to do Control V and paste in that data that I collected. You can see right away it builds a graph. You have all these different choices for how your graph will look. Let's say that I wanted to do maybe a pie chart. So it creates it. It has the percentages here along with the legend. And a lot of these options you can change in here in the settings if you want to, but most of the time the way that it guesses will be very good for whatever you need. Maybe I don't want the circle graph, so let's try the horizontal bar graph. And you can see again it instantly calculates everything, and you can change the title. So I'm just going to call it Summer Activities, Summer Activity, and then if that's how I want it, I'm going to click Insert Chart, and you can see that it puts it in the block as an object that I can resize and move wherever I want it. You could add other elements in here, and you probably would want to, some text to explain this. I'm keeping all this brief because the idea of an infographic is that charts and graphs like this tell the story that you want to convey.